Right, now it's time to put on doors and start on the interior. So yeah, let's do that. Just take the worst off. Try to pull it up. Right. Good enough for a little door catch. Yep. The two other to go. This is how the catch went. It was nice. Time to put the door handles and stuff like that back on. So, yeah. Let's do that without scratching it up. Yeah, right. Perfect. Like that. Sweet. Now the doors are on, door handles are on and working. All three doors. So, one more thing to check off the to-do list. So, let's get on with some detailing on the interior. Decided to polish up the handbrake. Not perfect, but nicer than it was, right? Right, let's try to put the handbrake back on. See how good it looks. Now the handbrake is in. What you think? So nice. Right? The handbrake is in. The door catches is in. Polished up the yeah, and put in the gas tank. Put in the lower part of the seat. Yeah, things are going right way. It's time to try to fix the dash. I have tried to fix a little bit. I strengthen it with some glue and aluminium. And yeah, it's been drying for a while now, so time to take out the screws and it should hold up. And then we'll try to fix the imperfections. First up is to take it apart and clean it and see what I have to work with. Now that's done, I'm gonna keep on removing all the holes that I don't need. Gonna remove them with some epoxy. Gonna start up with masking tape in the back of all the holes that I'm gonna fill up. And then I'm gonna fill up with epoxy. Right, now the glue is dry and ready to be sanded. Now it's time for some Bondo. See how that goes. Bondo for plastics. Now the dashboard is pretty okay. I've decided to try to wrap it. So yeah, just clean it up and then I will try with some wrapping on it. So now the dash is ready to be put in. Pretty happy with how it turned out. Yeah. Curious on how it will look inside. So we'll see. Let's try. Now the dash is in. Pretty happy with this. This will come here. Like that. Next episode I will figure out the wiring and make stuff work here. That will be interesting. So yeah, see you then.